Removing a memory module. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Note, to replace a front memory module slots 33 to 64, remove the front top cover and the front air baffle. To replace a rear memory module slots 1 to 32, remove the front top cover, the rear top cover, the crossbar, all the PCIe risers, the rear air baffle, and any installed 2U performance PHMs. Gently open the retaining clips at each end of the memory module slot. Hold both ends of the memory module and carefully lift it out of the slot.